beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today I'm trying out Glossier for the very first time. I placed an order during their Black Friday sale, and I have never tried a single Glossier product before. I hear about them and see them all the time on Instagram, especially. There's really fabulously, effortlessly gorgeous, cool people wearing Glossier, and I don't know if I can be as fabulously, effortlessly gorgeous as all the cool kids on Instagram, but I'm gonna try. We're gonna see what happens. I've heard so many great things about their products from a lot of people who I really like to watch and really trust. So here we are. I'm gonna try everything on camera for the very first time today. I literally just opened this up. I have no makeup on my face at all right now. And I'm probably not gonna have very much on my face by the end of this video, but we're gonna have fun playing with some new products. Let's just dig in and see what's in here. The very first thing that I grabbed out of my bag here is the coconutbalm.com. They have a bunch of these different balms, and I gravitated towards the coconut because I love coconut everything. It says it's a universal skin salve, you decide. Use on lips, cuticles, elbows, on your friend, anywhere that needs some love. So the front of the packaging is really plain, but then there's these cute graphics on the sides. I really like their packaging style. This is what the little tube looks like. Very cute little squeezy tube. So let's try it out. It smells good. I mean, it smells like coconut lip balm, so how could you go wrong? Okay, it's quite thick. Feels good. I mean, it feels like a lip balm, and I love lip balm, so not mad at it. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, okay. The next product in here is Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. I love dewy, I love oils, I love serums. Apply 2 pumps all over face as the last step in your skin routine. Add more to the high points of your face for extra glow. Not a lot of cute graphics on this, but this is kind of a skincare item, so, I mean, it's just the box anyway, who cares? Here's the bottle. Shiny and pretty. I love shiny, pretty things. Does have a little pump on top, love that. Okay, it said apply 2 pumps. 1, 2. Okay, it's quite liquidy. Feels a little bit thicker than I expected, but that's not a bad thing. It smells like something. It definitely has a fragrance. My face is all red from rubbing it in now. Ooh. She's dewy. Definitely very dewy. It feels nice on my skin. It has a little bit of a tackiness to it, so I feel like this would be good under other makeup if you wanted to put a little bit of something on top and kind of use this as a primer. Definitely getting that Glossier look, aren't I? Oh, I got a little sticker. Next up is the Boy Brow. This is one of their most raved about products, so I knew I wanted to try this. I did get the shade Brown. It's packaged just like the Future Dew. Let's see what the actual product looks like. This product is so hyped up. I honestly don't even know what to expect. Is there any possible way that this can live up to the hype? Let's see. Just a plain little tube here. It's got a super teeny tiny little brush. I'm prepared to be amazed, so let's see what happens. I mean, it works pretty well. We'll see if it holds up these crazy brows. So that's the done brow and the undone brow. I can tell a difference, can you? Yeah, it looks good. Okay. I feel like there's such a teeny tiny amount in here. All right, not bad. I'm honestly pretty impressed. This makes my brows look filled in and definitely feels like a nice hold on the gel. have to wear it for a while to see if it really keeps those brow hairs in place. I have some pretty intense brow hairs, so far I'm impressed though. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Getting down to it. I ordered 2 of the cloud paints. So I got the shades Dusk and Storm. For best results, apply with fingertips, gently squeeze a tiny dot onto finger and blend into cheek. So that's Dusk and that's Storm. There they are swatched out. I wonder what they would look like mixed together. I just mixed them together a little bit and that's the shade that I came up with. So I think that's actually what I'm gonna use. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh. It's possible that I went a little overboard, but I was just really having fun. So I think I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Future Dew and kind of blend it on top. Just do like a little half pump to kind of soften that blush. Ooh. Oh yeah, that worked really nicely. I mean, I think it looks good. Personally, I'd be enjoying a little bit more coverage, but I don't mind it. I actually don't mind it. All right, one item left in my little haul. This is the lip gloss. That's what the packaging looks like. So I decided to go with the red shade. I knew I wanted to do a little bit of a tint. They also have a clear gloss and a holographic gloss, which is like a shiny, glittery gloss. But I knew I wanted to add a little bit of something because I knew this would be a very bare-faced look. So I wanted just a little tint, you know, a little something. The gloss has a flat paddle applicator. Let's see how this formula is. It did add a little bit of color, but not a ton. It's very subtle. It looks super bright and intense in the tube, but it's really just a hint, little hint of red on the lips. I like it. It does feel like a really thick gloss, but it doesn't feel like a sticky gloss. I don't feel like it's gooping up every time I talk, but it does feel like it's gonna stay on there for a while. You know, some of those thinner glosses, as soon as you put them on, you feel like you need to reapply like 10 minutes. I feel like this one's gonna stick around for a while, but we'll see. We'll have to wait and see. After using all of these products, keep in mind I'm using all of these things for the very first time. I have to say I really liked everything. I don't think this look in particular is one that I'm going to wear again. If I'm gonna bother putting anything on my face, I'm definitely gonna add a little concealer, a little mascara, but I think I could easily add those steps into this little makeup routine that I just did and it would still be super easy, super fresh, and kind of effortless, cool looking, but you know, covering up a little bit more under eye circles. You know what I'm saying? But overall, I'm really happy with all of these products. I don't know if I can choose a favorite because I actually really liked everything. I was most impressed with the Boy Brow. That's a product that has a lot of hype. I didn't expect it to do anything to live up to its hype, but it's actually really, really easy, really quick. I love some lazy girl makeup, and I feel like it filled in my brows. They look a little bit more polished, a little bit more groomed, but I didn't have to do a whole lot of work at all. I think I had the most fun playing with the cloud paints. I'm definitely gonna be experimenting with those. I liked mixing them. I wonder if I can put them on my lips too, like a little lip tint situation, or even mixing them with the Future Dew. This is something I'll continue to use, but I probably just won't wear it on its own. I'll either use this as a primer or kind of mix it in with a tinted moisturizer or just something to give me a little bit more coverage. But I do really like the way that my skin looks with this on. I look very glowy, very fresh, and I like it. The lip products are, you know, it's a lip gloss and a lip balm. I love lip balm, I love lip gloss. I'm definitely going to use these easy kind of throw in the purse sort of lip products, but these were probably like the least exciting of everything that I tried today. I'll just show you a little close-up of what I look like with these products on. Overall, I'm really happy with my first Glossier products. I would love to know if you've tried Glossier. What are your favorite products from them? Are anything just repeat buys, absolute must-have staples that I haven't tried yet? I'm definitely open to buying more from the brand since I've had such a good experience. I always love your input. You guys never steer me wrong. So thank you so much for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh boy, off to a good start. Okay. Ooh, shiny. Love shiny things. Add more as you wish. Okay, I think I will. We'll do a little just like swatcheroony. Why did I just say that? This is going great. Gotta arrange everything for the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Should I do a little like close up of what I look like? Is that awkward? Is it weird? Was that really awkward? I feel like that was a little awkward. What's new? What's new for me? That ring light is really doing good things for these dewy cheeks. How much actual product is in here? Because let's not pretend like it's a lot. 0.11 ounces. How much is in? Is that the same as what's in here? Oh yeah, the ColourPop Brow Gel has 0.11 ounces too. It's like the same thing but switched. This is pretty good too, but I think the Boy Brow's better. Is that everything? Did I do everything? Did I say everything? Why? Nope. Okay. Gotta go. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.